Sembut Menteri Rangba Kejela ubak Preston Tunsong hak kesintok diang jangka tayo. Ulalu mekejing ngelang jangka Regional Committee jangka Distrik Ri Bhoi. Bat Shen Meghalaya bandit jurip lang bat ke Sarkar Assam. Ya kitan kap puat ha ubnai banwan na kebenta kejing penkerek bani open bed ya put Assam ha pedang Kejela Meghalaya bat Assam. Habayakran bikinong patay kubor ubak Preston Tunsong bolong chairman ke Regional Committee ke Distrik Ri Bhoi. Ulong bagian sesyong jingalang baka Assam hau benai banwan na kebenta bandit jurip bat ban kemi ke jaka ke badan kitan kap puat. Ulong baka Sarkar jela kalau kut jengmut menesat kat bala akaban penyopat eka blok 1 bat blok 2 Shen Meghalaya ha ke jingakran penbet puat aka wat ke baar bat ke jela Assam. Ulong baka tan Ri Bhoi kidan South Li kitan ki bani penbet puat ki bagentup eka bordowar nongwa mau temur desdum ria bat ke blok 2. Bat kejingkwa bak kaman upat ba akan day shibentan ki kendon terekam jangka komiti ha kejingnya penbet puat. Ubah Preston Tunsong ulong bak Sarkar kadon ya barok kikot kislah ban penkesan ya kejingkam terai kini South Li jaka bat kumtaken se syong bat ke Assam ban yatai bat ban let ruch kisnong ha ke ban se ya karai ke bakat dua. Usembut Menteri Rangba ulong bahadian san pusnem kejingyo Kejela Meghalaya kadai tang ke Sarkar MDA ke beladon ya kenong rim ke baskem ban penbet no kejing iakajia ke belah saateng la slemba bat ke Assam.
We decided that in a few weeks from now, we will fix up a joint meeting with the regional committee from our counterpart from Assam, and thereafter, once the joint meeting is held, then we will again go to the spot jointly and then take a final call on this issue. Like two big area ka Domria, one is Dobria, number 2 again the other area is Mautamur area, and then the third one is Badwa, and the fourth one is Lot. These are the areas. The talk will happen very soon. It's supposed to, to complete maybe 2-3 rounds of talk, but due to the problem in Manipur, government of India could not take up this discussion. But very soon, this discussion will take place. If you talk about Block 1, Block 2, it's a question of retransferring. Some people, they misunderstand this. When you talk about Block 1, Block 2, please understand, the question of differences does not arise. The question of dispute does not arise. It is purely the question of retransferring back. Those Block 1, Block 2, on the basis of notification 1951, we placed before the government of Assam to kindly retransfer it to us in those areas where the population is maximum with our own people.
Ubah Preston Tunsong ubah kemiru ya ketenat korban Ri Kejela ulong basyan kan sedang no kejing ekran yesuk bapura bat ka kenhun king atiar HNLC. Ulong ba kejing ekran keladai bandep le CR ne laisien hendrai namar kejing jah Kejela Manipur ke Sarkar India kam syemlala ban penlong ya kejing ekran yesuk. Ha kebedai ba kejing temu ban penken ria ke basyong basa athemetor ubah Preston Tunsong ulong basyan ensala ban penbet no sisendon ya kene kam hendrai menta umpat kwa ban keren AA. Namar kene kam kadang don hapok kejing bishar jong ke yeng syari Meghalaya High Court.
Relating to this issue, I will not talk much because right now it is in the in the High Court. So please don't ask me much as far as this issue is concerned. But from the government or from their side also, we are all positive, and I'm very sure one day we will be able to come out that yes, permanent solution has reached.
Ha kabayday bat kejingwan poi ki Petwer na Manipur ubah Preston Tunsong ulong baka Sarkar keladap betha e barok ki Deputy Commissioner bakin bu jeng kenti kena halor kejing don jong ki Petwer na Manipur ki buwan pet bandre tengen ha Kejela Meghalaya. Uli itu bala betha aru iki District Council ki badan ha Kejela bakin petlang halor kene kebenta bat makiru keladap penmi ki jeng betha cabarok ki dorbar shnong.
Already instructed, number 1 is to the District Council, and in turn the District Council also has instructed to the concerned locality And from the government side also, we have instructed all the district administration to be ready to also update themselves how many people reaches or stayed in different places, and then how many days they've been here, and then when are they going back.